Give me a V.
V.
Give me a B.
B.
Give me an S.
S.
What does that spell?
Vibus.
VBS.
Oh.
It would spell Vibus.
It would spell Vibus.
But we're doing VBS.
We are. We're doing VBS, and we need donations.
You can donate today.
That's right. Out in the atrium on the wall, there will be little paper windows with the items on them that we need for VBS.
So what you can do is you can pick one of those windows up and go buy that donation and bring it back here to the church and drop it off at the door.
That's right. And we will be taking donations on Sunday, July 17th, as well as Sunday, July 24th. So please grab a piece of paper and grab something so that we can have a good VBS.
The other piece is make sure that your child is signed up and registered for VBS.
How awkward would that be?
That would be bad.
Just dropping the kid off and... No. Who is this
Sorry.
person? I don't know.
Sorry.
I don't know.
No, go play in the parking lot for a while.
Have fun.
This green sheet that says VBS or VBS registration form is what you need to grab. Fill it out and place it back on the connection center. Oh, hey ladies, Latte and Laughter is coming up once again this Tuesday, 7:30 at Mocha Monkey. If you think we're having fun, you'll have so much more fun. Join them at 7:30 Mocha Monkey this Tuesday for Latte and Laughter.